पुरुषोत्तम कैमरा ऑफ कर लो अपना। ओके ठीक है। बैठ के
Gold price has down but expect profit till Diwali. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem are located here. You can check. Zomato share continue rally on stock market after bumper IPO. Glenmark Life Science IPO to open tomorrow. Check details. Indian sport gold rate amid COVID turbulence. Jammu and Kashmir leads in Discom losses. Delhi turns best performer. Prizes by Chopper Great Learning in $705 million deal. Covaxin stays at an uncertain US launch. Board Group Aditya Birla may dilute their stake in the board idea. Gold prices remain unchanged, fluctuate in some metros. Salary, pension, and EMI payment rules to change from August. Clear sign of economics revival in COVID-19 disruptions. Piyush Goyal. Nirmala Sitharaman.
कहाँ तक था? कहाँ पे खत्म किया आपने?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Clear signs.
Clear signs of economic revival amid COVID-19 disruption, says Piyush. Nirmala Sitharaman says honest taxpayers should be recognized. Pulse oximeter, other medical devices get cheaper as center caps. Foreign investments in India at historic high, strict to continue. RBI revises personal loan limit for bank directors to 5 crore from 25 lakh. Supreme Court questions telcos plea for correction in AGR dues. Apex Court verdicts to make Vodafone Idea's funding an uphill task. Zomato delivers Taylor returns on street debut. JSW Steel posts rupees 5,900 crore net profit in Q1. Reliance logs rupees 12,273 crore profit in Q1. HC refuses to halt CCI probe against Amazon Flipkart. Yes Bank sees retail stress build up due to second wave. Zomato founder now among outrage startup entrepreneur after scale. Sensex closes 198 points higher at 52,195. Nifty end session at 15,856. Gold price today drops below rupees 47,000 for 10 gram. Zomato share zoom to over 82% in market debut. Indian spot gold rate and silver price on Friday, July 23, 2021.
Okay. This Sonu Kumar. Sonu Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Sonu Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Sonu Kumar use first all this, pulse oximeter, other medical devices. I think it's important. Okay. Camera on. Camera on कीजिए. Sonu Kumar.
Yes, sir. Can I read, sir?
हाँ, एक मिनट, वो स्क्रीन शेयर हो गया है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, पढ़िए.
The capping of trade margins of 5 medical devices has resulted in price reduction of 620 brands. The Chemicals and Fertilizers Ministry said on Saturday the 5 brands whose prices were capped by the National Pharmaceuticals pricing.
फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, हाँ, दवाई कंपनी जो होती है उसको फार्मास्यूटिकल कहते हैं.
Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NPPA) on July 13 are oximeters, glucometers, BP monitor, nebulizer, and digital thermometer.
नेबुलाइजर.
The margin was kept up to 70% on price or distributor PTD level. Percent there to a total of 684 products. Brands of these medical devices have been reported as on July 23, 2021, and 620 products brands, 91%, have reported downward revision of MRP, the ministry said in a statement. The maximum downward revision has been reported by an imported brand of pulse oximeters showing a reduction of 2,95,375 per unit. It further said the ministry gave the details of price reductions, which is given in the table below. Yes, sir.
एंड नहीं होगा, वो एंड.
And yes, sir.
एंड कब तक एंड करेगा? चलिए आगे पढ़िए.
And sir. आगे कहाँ आ रहा है सर?
शेयर कर दिया हमने. द रिवाइज्ड एमआरपी.
Revised MRP effective from 20th July 2021 on all the brands, and the specifications has been shared with the state drug controllers for strict monitoring and enforcement.
आज नेट का बहुत इश्यू हो रहा है सर.
Enforcement.
पढ़िए.
The relevant instructions are available on NPPA's website www.nppa.government.in. In order to monitor availability, the manufacturers imported these medical devices have been directed by submit.
ये सोनू, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. थोड़ा माइक को एडजस्ट करके पढ़ो. माइक को एडजस्ट करके पढ़िए.
Yes, sir. This significant move has received support from industry associations like FICCI, Advamed, and AMCHAM. It added. The NPPA said in its letter that the need to make medical devices affordable was felt during the evolving situation of COVID-19 pandemic. It noted that the data collected from the manufacturers and stakeholders involved in the distribution of the devices pointed out that exact trade margins on the 5 medical devices range up to the 709% from prices to distributor MRP. And
Great.
sir,
ठीक है, यहाँ पे डेटा है कुछ, राइट, सॉरी, पूरा नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट पर्सन, आई थिंक शिवानी। शिवानी,
Yes, sir.
okay. You take this news. Zomato shares continue to rally on the stock market.
Okay.
Zomato share is flourishing, you know.
Can I start?
Sure.
Yes. Zomato, the food delivery service, which made an impressive debut on the stock market on Friday, saw its shares gaining on the second day on Monday.
Shivani, it is not debut. It is not debut. Debut नहीं है बाबू.
Debut.
Debut.
Okay.
ये कई बार हम लोग इस पे डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. कई बार डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं हम लोग. मतलब
Okay.
वो आपका फिल्म, नए फिल्म स्टार्स जो लॉन्च होते हैं, जिनकी पहली मूवी होती है, तो ये बोलते हैं ना उनका डेब्यू मूवी है. डेब्यू
Yes, sir.
मूवी.
Yes, sir.
ये वर्ड तो आपको
Yes, sir.
जानना चाहिए था. ठीक है, आगे बढ़िए.
Shares of Zomato were trading 2.5% higher on the Bombay Stock Exchange at rupees 129 per share. Live Mint reported. The company share opened at rupees 116 and surged 65% in its stock market debut on Friday, turning its founder, Dipinder Goyal, into a billionaire.
ठीक है. Who is the founder of Zomato? Who is the founder of Zomato?
Dipender Goyal.
Dipender Goyal. It's written over here, right?
Dipender Goyal, founder of Zomato.
हाँ, इस नाम को याद रखिएगा. फ्लिपकार्ट के फाउंडर कौन है? फ्लिपकार्ट के फाउंडर कौन है? बोलिए.
अमेरिका का
सचिन
बंसल.
सचिन बंसल और दूसरा नाम बिनी बंसल.
बिनी बंसल सर.
ठीक है. ओके फाइन. शिवानी प्लीज कंटिन्यू. Shivani, please continue.
Yes, sir. It ended trading at rupees 125.30 on BSE that day, valuing the company at $13.3 billion. Zomato has crossed the market capitalization of rupees 1 lakh crore soon after listing. It is now among the 50 most valuable publicly traded firms in India, beating Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors and Coal India Limited. So next.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's over.
No, still,
So the screen is not visible.
wait. Okay. Now is it there? Okay, please read. Shivani, please read.
Yes, sir. Zomato initial public offering last week ended with a bumper 38 times subscription. Despite the large size of IPO at rupees 9,375 crore and rich valuation, the company saw a healthy overall subscription of 38 times. There is a lot of fancy for such a unique and first of its kind listing in the market. Zomato, with first mover advantage, is placed in a sweet spot as the online food delivery market is at the cusp of evolution, said Sneha Poddar, research analyst, broking and distribution, Motilal Oswal Financial Service Limited. The IPO of Zomato was India's biggest initial share sale offer since March 2020. The IPO had opened for subscription on July 14 in a price band of rupees 72 to 76 per share. It closed on July 16. The company, backed by Jack Ma and Group Corporation, is first from a long list of Indian unicorn startups to launch an IPO. Sir, it's over.
You come, my friend. Good. Okay. Wait.
Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has said there. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has said there are clear indications the economy is seeing a revival amid the disruptions caused by coronavirus COVID-19 disease, and the country will receive high foreign direct investment FDIS during the current financial year. Goyal, who virtually addressed the plenary sessions of Confederations of India Industry (CII) and the Horasis India on Saturday, said India received the highest ever FDI in the pandemic hits 2020, which is in stark contrast to a fall in investment inflows. The India industry is needed on a growth path. The highest ever merchandise has been locked for export in a quarter 1 2021-22, $95 million in the history of India, more than 18% from quarter 1 of 2019-2020. In July till the third week, exports were at 22.48 billion dollar, at an increase of 45.13%, which respect to the same period in 2020-2021, and more than 25.42%, which respect to 2019-2020. He added the labor in intensive and the employment grading sector of engineering goods, and has also seen a growth of 33.7% in the third week of July with respect to 2020-2021. India has broken into the top 10 list of agricultural produce exporter as per WTO reports. The India growth story is now being reflected across the sector, from the ease of doing business to exports and from startups to service. India is India is taking grand leaps in its sector, he said. Speaking about the startup space, Goel said, in just the fixed 6 months of 2021, another 15 unicorns have come up. He said India further is holding talks with 16 countries, including the UK and UE, Australia, Canada, and the UAE, from great agreements. The Union Minister said that accomplishment, which a result of consist efforts to bring structural change in the last 7 years, adding growth. Certain reform have enabled India to embark of holistic economic transformations, starting that is a shifts of rebuilding, revitalizations, and building resilience in economics. The world that the campaigning does not mean closing our doors to the world. On the contrary, it empower users to engage with greater confidence and the compet- competitive. He also exhorts all the stakeholders of the India economic progress to take from emerging short-term and long-term growth opportunities. Vaccine, pharma products, ITC related goods and services are possible area of opportunity to immediate and short terms. In the long term area like digitations, clean energy and GVCS remains great area of growth. Sector like agriculture, textiles, engineering, goods electronics, marine product, or shipping service also offer great opportunity, he added.
Okay, now this all people coming, saying BCA Purushottam, BCA Purushottam. Hello, BCA Purushottam. Why you people are not listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I think my net connectivity is not issue, so I'm ending the class 10 minutes before. We'll do the makeup in the next class and we'll continue again, please. Today, just 10 minutes before I'm, this. Is my voice coming, Purushottam?
Yes, sir.
हम बोल रहे तुमको पढ़ने के लिए, तुम पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहे हो फिर?
सर स्क्रीन पर नहीं आ रहा है.
स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहा तो कुछ हाँ ना बोलोगे ना बाबू, एकदम चुप रहेंगे. हम पता कैसे रहे वो करना क्या है. अभी
सर कंटिन्यू करें. सर कंटिन्यू.
यस सर, नहीं बोलेगा. ओके पुरुषोत्तम, प्लीज स्टार्ट. पुरुषोत्तम.
यस सर, पढ़ रहे हैं. A Dutch unicorn and India's most valuable startup, Byju's, is continuing its acquisitions spree by buying after school learning app, Topper, and upskilling platform, great learning in a cash and stock deals. Sir, screen.
वेट, हर चीज में टोका नहीं जाता है बाबू, हमको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन. नो नीड टू रिमाइंड मी.
After school learning app, Topper, and upskilling platform, great learning in a cash and stock deal, according to regulatory filing filed by the company. With this, Byju has acquired 6 startups in 2021 across India and the US.
Voice is not coming properly, Purushottam. I think my net is weak. Okay. Take it just 10 minutes before I'm, finding the class. We'll continue again. Okay.